Hi all, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to prepare quick and tasty vegetable curry. Having guests in few minutes? No worries, you can prepare this curry in 15 minutes. It's very tasty and definitely you will be appreciated. So without any delay, let's start. All you need is 3 tomatoes pureed, then 2 big onions finely chopped, 1 potato chopped in cubes, 1 cup beans, 1 cup carrot chopped, 1 cup cauliflower, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon cumin. Then you need some masala powders, chili powder 1 tablespoon, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 15 cashews soaked in water to make it paste, then 2 tablespoon fresh cream, half cup fresh green peas and 1 green chili slit. Now heat a pan, add in 2 tablespoons of oil, then add in cumin. After it starts to splatter, add in the green chili, then add in the chopped onions, saute them to golden brown. Now add in the tomato puree. Saute that till the oil starts to separate and add in 1 teaspoon of salt and give it a mix. Now add in the ginger garlic paste. Saute that for a minute till the raw smell goes. Now add in the masala powders. Saute for a few seconds. Then add in the vegetables. Now add 2 cups of hot water. Cover and cook the veggies till they are done. Now add in the fresh green peas. Give it a mix. As the gravy has become thick, I'm adding 1 more cup of hot water. the cashew nut paste. Then the fresh cream. If you don't have fresh cream, then add thick milk, half cup. At last, add in a teaspoon of ghee and close the lid. Now switch off the flame and add chopped coriander leaves. Your tasty vegetable curry is ready. It goes well with ghee rice, chapati, parota. Do try and give me your feedback. For more videos, do subscribe my channel. Happy cooking!